Want to go see if he brought you anything?
Yeah.
Come on.
Open the light doors.
Go see if Santa brought you anything. What is that? Did Santa come?
Yeah.
Look over here. What is that? Look over there. There's a... What's under the tree?
Where is this?
Wow. Do you like it?
Yeah.
How exciting. What do you think? How did Santa get that big kitchen in here? Do you know? It's pretty big, huh?
Yeah. I see present in the kitchen.
You see a present in the kitchen?
Yeah.
And under the tree?
Yeah.
All right.
I will go get it.
You want to go get it?
Yeah.
You can. Go on over and get it. Okay. You want me to come with you?
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's just a reflection, baby. There's not really one in there. It's just the reflection, you see?
No, in here.
It's not in there. It's just the reflection under the tree, from under the tree. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
You just want to play with that for a few minutes? And then we'll open the other presents?
Yeah.
I think there's a telephone right there. Do you see the telephone?
Careful.
On the kitchen.
On the kitchen.
You see it on the wall?
On the wall.
The kitchen.
Kitchen.
Look. Hello? Oh, what a good present. What do you think? there's a present in the way. Pull it, it'll open.
Presents not here.
No,
No,
they're all under the tree, aren't they?
they are all under the tree, vedi?
I will open it and see.
You want to open some presents?
Yeah.
Yeah.